Hi, I'm Chris and I make knives. In today's video we're going to machine the Backspacer. We're going to machine a Backspacer. Today's video is a work in progress. I'm going to show you this Backspacer that now I make that goes into the back of the knife. To make it, I use this sheet of titanium. This is just a sheet of titanium. So this sheet, I bought it as 187, 3/16 inch thick, but it's a little bit oversized. You can see it's actually 196. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this on the bandsaw to a more manageable size. I'm going to use this pretty little sunflower file on this piece of titanium. Being inappropriate. And I get the machine woke up. This is my fixture for the Backspacer and also a left-hand pocket clip. Welcome inside the enclosure. What we're going to do now is just establish the work coordinates and load the tools into the carousel. So I'm going to use a Kenny metal shell mill to face this titanium. You can see that I've bolted it down to the table using just these number 10 screws. This is just a number 10 screw. It's recessed down in the titanium 30,000 so I don't hit it. What I'm getting ready to do now is just to face this piece of titanium to make it flat. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some holes in here now that this is faced. So the drilling operation is now finished. This looks like titanium Swiss cheese. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to profile these out. Now that this half of the Backspacers are finished, I'm going to put some little dowel pins. These are just stop pins, one on each end. This will help secure the part so that I can cut it free. The Backspacers are now cut free from the sheet. I will now turn them over and chamfer the backside. I'm going to deburr these very quickly on the water stone. Just using a water stone here to very quickly deburr the backside. And so now the chamfer of the backside of the clip is now complete. So I'm getting these ready now to grind on the KMG. I'm getting ready to profile these parts, these Backspacers. So this is my new Backspacer. I anodized it bronze. It's actually a titanium Backspacer. I did it in the shape of a gear, and you can see it has a very low profile. It's got very good traction on the back of the knife, yet it's skin friendly. To make these titanium backspacers took me 2 weeks if you count all the time I spent with the CAD cam. I've taken 7 minutes of your time. I appreciate you watching the video all the way through. Again, my name is Christopher Gillian. I appreciate you hanging in there till the end. Please like the video. Subscribe if you're into knife making. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the very next video.